Alright, hi everyone. So welcome to Detailing Mafia. Today we're doing this video for Clarity Coat. So this is the first car which we did in India for Clarity Coat. It's been almost 1 year now and we plan to change the color of the car. So I'm going to strip it out and you're going to see the residue. We say it's no glue, no adhesive in this. It's going to be completely clean, the inner paint. We're going to see that. Also, like I'm a detailer, so if you come over here and you see closely, I put a lot of PPF patches over here. So some Noma, some Excel, some other shield, some PPH. So this is my testing I was doing, but nevertheless, when we're peeling it off, we have to, this will also get removed. So what I wanted to show people was that this PPF over here, zoom this up, has adhesive, okay? So a lot of people were telling me and asking me that, Kunal, you've put this, when you're going to remove the PPF, won't clarity coat come out? And I said no. It's just like paint. So I removed all the PPF. See, still the clarity coat is perfect. It's nothing that if it's flexible, it's going to chip off or some kind of color is going to be on the PPF. It comes perfectly all right. This has also been almost plus 7-8 months that we have done different PPF on this. I'll just show you one more. So nothing on the PPF, it's completely clean. So yes, that we are treating it as paint, and yes, it actually works. Clarity coat is completely intact, PPF is clear, and no residue. Well, I'm taking off, it's a small patch, otherwise PPF definitely leaves you residue. But on Clarity Coat, the Clarity Coat is not affected with the PPF, that when I'm pulling this off, then the Clarity Coat won't come in. So 2-3 samples, I did it, there are more patches, we will remove them all. And now we go to the bonnet, we'll start stripping it off and see how it comes off, okay? So do you see over here, there are two things over here, okay? A lot of people say that let's put the base coat, okay? The base coat is going to be peelable, okay? So why not put a normal water-based clear coat over it of a different company, from Nippon to Glasuret to DuPont. But yes, what I'm going to show on this, if you see over here, there are two layers of Clarity Coat, okay? This is the base, this is the clear. So there are two layers coming out because both the products are peelable, okay? So, see over here, this I have one more layer. Over here, I have one more layer. There are two layers. So it's giving me extra protection. And it is flexible. Just remove this so that I can get a bigger grip. And guys, don't mind it. The car was a bit damaged, so we didn't actually paint it because we changed the color. So please avoid these marks. Now we're taking this off. You see over here there are two layers. As we say, this is our base coat. This is the color with the clear coat. And do you see how it's coming off? Not in bits and pieces, it's coming off in a large stretch.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I'll